I've always been someone who longs for the past. Today, I had a feeling inside me and wanted to create a scene from the beautiful old times. In a way, it's like satisfying my longing. Old tube TVs. There were always decorative items on top of them. The VHS player felt like an incredible piece of technology. Solid wood consoles that were almost a ton in weight. Even though all these objects are 3D models, I feel like they carry the scent of history. For some reason, these consoles always seemed like they had to carry the entire burden of the house. All the knickknacks, every book in the home, tablecloths, such a heavy load for a single console. Scenes like this always reach their most dramatic state at sunset. The sunlight streaming through the window reflects on the TV screen. Part of the photo frame always remains in shadow. That's exactly the dramatic feeling I want to capture. Look at this beautiful reflection on this glass. I don't want the scene to be overly complex. Nothing more, nothing less. I just want to create a room as I remember it. The HDR image I'm using alone is not enough to capture the shadows and color tones I want. That's why I'm adding additional artificial lighting and adjusting it to warm yellow tones. I'm using Blender Kit for awesome materials. I love it and it's free. It's time to add that strong beam of light I mentioned earlier, hitting the screen and the photo frame. For this, I'm using an area light and narrowing its spread angle. I imagine lush, leafy trees outside the house, and I want their shadows to fall inside. There are several ways to achieve this, but the simplest method is to place a PNG image in front of the light source to create a fake shadow. Books, books, and books everywhere. I love old, unpolished walls. Their surfaces are rough and they are always painted in low energy colors. I'm now using the tree shadow technique to project a single piece shadow shape. It might feel a bit lazy since instead of modeling a window, I'm just making it look like there's a shadow of one. As long as we don't look to the right, there's no problem. I don't know if you ever noticed, but these kinds of rooms always have a subtle haze. It becomes visible where the sunlight passes through. Tiny dust particles slowly drift in the air. This might seem like an unnecessary detail, but I think it adds a huge amount of realism. It seems like the owner of this house really loves books and vases, a true collector. I think life passes by much faster than we realize, and we only notice it when it's too late. The photos we take today will be seen as the old days by future generations. This thought has always felt melancholic to me. While you have the time, spend more of it with your loved ones, folks. Thank you for watching, and please like it if you like it. Bye bye.